Hello friends, this is IQCIVILS IAS Academy and Assam demographics. Today we are going to discuss this demography of Assam and myself Narendra Sharma. This is the panel of elite faculties and these are the government projects by IQCIVILS IAS Academy. You can go through it. You can see the Google reviews also. On the basis of such reviews, obviously we can better understand about the achievements and the quality which IQ Civil Science Academy is providing, isn't it? So, on the basis of such reviews, you must join this institute as soon as possible if you want to uh, get a seat for IAS or PCS exams in 23, isn't it? These are the inquiries number regarding admissions. You can contact on these numbers, and these are the elite panel of faculties. You can see again here they are from Delhi and several other regions of India, isn't it? Most of them are from Delhi, isn't it? So YouTube channel link, this link, you can connect to this link and you can go for the other information. And if you want to take admission, these are the online and offline batches from 26th of October, 10th of November, and 20th of November. So on these dates, you can get enroll yourself here. Now come to the demographics of Assam. See the total population. If you see here, the total population of Assam was uh, 26.66 million with 4.9 million households in 2001, isn't it? Higher population concentration was recorded in the districts of Kamrup, Nagaon, Sonitpur, Barbeta, Dhubri, Darang, and Achar. Okay. Assam's population was estimated at 28.6 million in 2006 and 30.57 million in 2011, isn't it? And is expected to reach by 34.18 million by 2021 and 30.560 million by 2026. Okay. So, as per the 2001 census, 2011 census, the total population of Assam was this much, and the total population of the state has increased from this much to this much in last 10 years with a growth rate of 16.93%. And if you can see this graph where you can see the Assam district wise major demographic characteristics 2011, isn't it? 2001. So here number of persons are given in this area, and here you are having the regions of Assam. Yellow is for urban population, green is for literates, and overall population is in blue color, isn't it? Of the 33 districts, 8 districts registered a rise in the decadal growth population growth rate. How much? 8 districts. Religious minority dominated districts like Dhubri, religious minorities dominated areas. Dhubri, Golpara, Barpeta, Morigaon, Nagaon, Hailakandi. These areas have recorded growth rates ranging from 20% to 24% during the last decade. Obviously, this is very high growth rate by religious minority, isn't it? Eastern Assamese districts including Sivsagar and Jorhat, they registered around 9% population growth. And these districts don't have any international border. Now, if the district does not have international border, only 9% population growth, and the district is having international border, then you can see 20 to 24% in the last decade. Obviously, it is because of the border areas problems. In 2001, the literacy rate in the state was 73.18%, where the male literacy rate was 78.81% and the female literacy rate was 67.2%. Isn't it? In 2001, the census had recorded literacy in Assam 63.3% with male and 71.3%, isn't it? Male and female is 54.6%. In 2001 census had recorded literacy rate in Assam was 63.3%. In 2011, the literacy rate is increased by this much 73.1%. 10% increase. Wow, very good. The urbanization rate was recorded at 12.9%. Means urbanization was growing with what? Such record. Such percentage. The growth of population in Assam has increased since the middle decades of the 20th century. Middle decades of the 20th century, isn't it? Middle decades like around 1950, 60, like that. Population grew from 3.29 million in 1901 to 6.70 in 1941. Almost doubled in 40 years only. Almost doubled in 40 years. It increased to 40.63 million in 1971 and 22.41 million in 1991. Okay, the growth in the western districts and southern districts was highly minded. The growth in the western districts of Assam and southern district of Assam was high, primarily due to influx of people from East Pakistan, that is now Bangladesh. Isn't it? The mistrust and clashes between indigenous Assamese people and Bengali Muslims started as early as 1952, but it is rooted in anti-Bengal sentiments of the 1940s. It was rooted in anti-Bengali sentiments of the 1940s. At least 70 people, 77 people died and 4 lakh people were displaced in 2012 Assam violence between indigenous Bodos and Bengali Muslims. Isn't it? So the people of India has studied 115 of the ethnic groups in Assam. Out of them, 69% identify themselves regionally, locally, and 3 transnationally. Out of this 115, 79 identify themselves regionally, 22 locally, and 3 transnationally. Okay. So out of 115 of the ethnic group in Assam, 79 regionally, 22 locally, and 3 transnationally. The earliest settlers were Austroasiatic, Dravidian, followed by Tibeto-Burman, Indo-Aryan, and Thai Kadai people. So these were the races and sub-races of early Assam, isn't it? Races and sub-races. 45 languages are spoken by different communities. And there are 3 major language families, isn't it? Austroasiatic, Sino-Tibetan, and Indo-European. 3 of the spoken languages do not fall in these families. There is a high degree of bilingualism, isn't it? There is a high degree of bilingualism. Now, after uh, demographic status, population as a demographic status. Now come to religion. According to 2011 census, 61.47% were Hindus. Okay, 34.22% were Muslims. Christian minorities, only 3.7% are found among the scheduled tribes and caste populations. The scheduled tribe population in Assam is around 13% minded, of which Bodos account for 40%. Bodos, isn't it? They are the indigenous people of Assam. Other religions followed, including Jainism 0.1%, Buddhism 0.2%, Sikhism 0.1%, sorry, and animism amongst Khamti, Fake, Aitan communities. Animism. Many Hindus in Assam were followers of Ekasarna Dharma. Ekasarna Dharma, sect of. It is a sect, not a religion. The sect of Hinduism, which gave rise to Namghar, designed to be simpler places of worship than traditional Hindu temples. What are Namghar? They are the simple places of worship for Ekasarna Dharma sect. Basically, it is a sect, not a religion. Isn't it? So you can see here, like the population of Hindus in this state is 19 crore, around 19 crore. Sorry, 1 crore, 91 lakh 80,000 7, 1 crore, isn't it? Muslims, again 1 crore, it is 1.9 crore, this is 1 crore. Christian, Christians are only 11 lakh, Buddhist 54,000, Jains 25,000, Sikhs 20,000, other religions 27,000. Not stated, any statistics is not available for 50,000 people. The total, this much population is part of Assam. Out of 32 districts of Assam's, out of 32 districts of Assam's, 9 are Muslim majority. Mind it, out of 32 districts of Assam, 9 are Muslim majority according to 2001 census of India. And these districts where Muslim majorities are found: Dhubri, Golpara, Barpeta, Morigaon, Nagaon, Bongaigaon, Darang, Helkandi, and Karimganj. These 9 districts are Muslim dominated. Okay, Muslim majority. Well, languages. Assamese and Bodo. Assamese and Bodo are the official language of the state. Which are now come to the language. We have discussed about the population of Assam. We have discussed about the religion of Assam. And now it is language. Assamese and Bodos are the official language of the state. Isn't it? Which one? Assamese and Bodo are the official language of the state, while Bengali is official in 3 districts of Barak Valley. Isn't it? Where Sylheti is the most commonly spoken. Sylheti. So Assamese and Bodo are the official language. Which one? Assamese and Bodo. While Bengali is official in 3 districts only in of Barak Valley, and Sylheti is most commonly spoken. Isn't it? According to the language census of 2001, 11, according to the language census of 2011 in Assam, out of total population of around 31 million, isn't it? Assamese is spoken by more than 22 million total speakers. It means Assamese is the major language and more than 22 million speakers in Assamese. Assamese, okay? With more than 15 million people speaking it as their mother tongue. isn't it? So 15 million speaking people are speaking Assamese as a mother tongue, and around 7 million as L2 speakers. Okay, language 2, L2. Although the number of speaker is growing, although the number of speakers is growing, I mean Assamese number of speaker Assamese is growing. The percentage of Assam's population, the percentage of Assam's population who have it as a mother tongue has fallen slightly. Okay, number of speaker is growing. Speakers means population is growing, but the percentage of Assam's population who have it as a mother tongue has fallen slightly. Assamese serves as lingua franca of the region, as it is spoken by over 71% of the population, including the one who have listed Assamese as their second language, while 48.38% of them speak it as their mother tongue. Okay. So according to the 24th edition of according to 24th edition of Ethnologue, languages of the world, Assamese is spoken by this much person as mother tongue across the world as of 2021. Great. However, 2016 Assam Legislative Assembly elections results have found that 10 million people speaks Assamese as their mother tongue in Assam, which is significantly fewer than the census result of 2011. Okay. So, furthermore, the Assamese speakers constituted 48% of the state population. Assamese speaker constituted 48% of the state population according to 2011 census. And it is predicted that 2021 census, which is currently underway, isn't it? Currently underway, not currently underway because of Corona. It was not published, isn't it? Because of Corona. It is not underway. Will reveal the percentage to dip lower below 40%. Okay. The various Bengali dialects and closely related languages are spoken by around 9 million people. The various Bengali dialects and closely related languages are spoken by around 9 million people in Assam. And the portion of the population that speaks these languages has grown slightly as per the census. However, the number of Bengali speaker is estimated to be more than the expected census results, as out of 35% Muslim population in Assam as per 2011 census. It is being reported that 30% or say 10 million of them speaks different dialects of Bengali as their native language. But during census enumeration, they they are known as Mia people. They have reported that their mother tongue as Assamese. Okay. Assam also has a large number of Bengali Hindu population. Assam also has a large number of Bengali Hindu population, isn't it? As according to government data. It is being reported that 7.5% million Bengali Hindus lives in Assam. 7.5 million Bengali Hindus lives in Assam, thus constituting 25% of the state population as per 2011 census report. Got it? So Assam also has a large number of Bengali Hindu population, according to government data. And 7.5% million Bengali Hindus lives in Assam, and it is constituting 25% of the state population. Bodo is the third most spoken language, followed by Hindi, Assamese, Hindi, and Bodo, which comes under fourth position. The population of Brahmaputra Valley is this much, according to 2011 census report by the Assam government. Assamese is the official language of the Brahmaputra Valley and is spoken by 15 million people, comprising 55.65% of the valley population. Bengali is spoken by 6.09 million people, representing 22.1% of the valley. Hindi is spoken by 2.1 million, comprising 7.61% of the region. Okay. Bodo is spoken by 1.4 million, comprising 5.13% of the valley's population, and 2.98 million speaks various indigenous tribal languages of Assam, such as Santali, Karbi, Tiwa, Amar, Deuri, Rabha, Mishing, Koch, Rajbangshi, Sadri, Garo, Dimasa, Gondi, Savara, Gurkha, Halam, Ew, and Motak. Bodo is spoken by such million, comprising 5.313% of the valley's population, and rest of the 2.98 million people speak various indigenous tribal languages of Assam. Isn't right? Traditionally, Assamese was the language of common folk. Traditionally, Assamese was the language of the common folk in the ancient Kamrupa kingdom. Which one? Assamese, the Kamrupa kingdom. In the medieval kingdoms of Dimasa Kachari, Chutia Kachari, Borahi Kachari, Ahom, and Kamata kingdoms. Okay. Traces of the language are found in many poems by Luipa, Sarahapa, and others in Charyapada. Modern dialects such as Kamrupi and Golparia are remnants of these languages. Moreover, Assamese in its traditional form was used by ethno-cultural groups in the region as a lingua franca, which spread during the stronger kingdoms and was required for economic integration. Localized forms of languages still exist in Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Linguistically, modern Assamese traces its roots to the version developed by American missionaries based on the local form used near Sivsagar district. Assamese is a rich language due to its hybrid nature and unique characteristics of pronunciation and softness. The presence of voiceless velar fricative in Assamese makes it a unique among other similar Indo-Aryan languages. Bodo is ancient language of Assam. Spatial distribution patterns of ethno-cultural groups, cultural traits, and the phenomena of naming all the major rivers in the northeast region. Bodo Kachari words. Example: Dihing, Dibru, Dihong, Tista, and Dikrai reveal that it was more widely spoken in ancient times. Bodo is now spoken largely in the western Assam. It is the official language of Bodoland territorial region and co-official language of the state of Assam. It is also one of the 22 languages listed in it is also one of the 22 languages listed in 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. See, Assam is, I mean, it is also 22 languages which are listed in 8th schedule of Constitution of India. Which one? Bodo. After years of neglect, now Bodo language is getting attention and its literature is developing. Other native languages of the Tibeto-Burman origin and related to Bodo Kachari are Deuri, Missing, Karbi, Rabha, and Tiwa. There are approximately this much Nepali speakers spread all over the state, forming about 1.9% of Assam's total population according to 2011 census. There are speakers of Thai language in Assam. A total of 6 Thai languages were spoken in Assam. How much? six Thai languages were spoken in Assam. This is all about the demographies of Assam. I hope you have acquired information which are related with several facts of census 2011, because 2021 has not published due to corona. And this is the if you want to view the PDF of this video, you can subscribe to our official Telegram channel, isn't it? And you can pin in the, it has a UPSC pinned in the comment section. Okay. Well, so again, I want to tell you again, I want to remind you the dates which are important for you. That is 26th of October, 10th of November, and 28th November. Okay. If you want to have any inquiries regarding admission, please contact on such numbers so that obviously you can get acquainted with the information which you want to have. Okay. Thank you and all the best to all of you.